How quickly would the oceans drain if a circular portal 20 meters in diameter appeared at the bottom of the Challenger Deep, which is the deepest spot in the ocean? According to my rough calculations, if an aircraft carrier sank and got stuck against the drain, the pressure would be enough to easily fold it up and suck it through. So what happens back on Earth when the portal opens? Not much. It would take hundreds of thousands of years for the ocean to drain. Even though the opening is wider than a basketball court, and the water is being forced through at incredible speeds, the oceans are huge. The water level would drop by much less than a centimeter per day. There wouldn't even be a cool whirlpool on the surface, because the opening is just too small and the ocean is too deep. But let's suppose we speed up the draining by opening more or bigger drains at the bottom of Challenger Deep. Here's how the world looks at the start, and here's the map after the oceans drop 50 meters. When the sea level reaches minus 100 meters, the Black Sea stops shrinking because it's no longer connected to the ocean. As the water level falls, more and more basins get cut off from the drain in the Pacific. Depending on the details of the sea floor in each basin and the exact speed of draining, the outflow of water might carve a deeper channel, allowing it to flow for longer, but most basins will at some point become landlocked and stop draining. By 200 meters of sea level fall, the map is really starting to look weird. New islands are appearing. At 500 meters, Japan becomes a causeway that connects the Korean peninsula with Russia. After the top kilometer of the oceans have drained, the Arctic Ocean becomes cut off and its water level stops falling. When the sea is dropped by 2 kilometers, we see new islands popping up left and right. At 3 kilometers, many of the peaks of the mid-ocean ridge, which is the world's largest mountain range, break the surface. By 5 kilometers, most of the major oceans have become disconnected and stopped draining. When the drain finally empties, there is a surprising amount of water left, although a lot of it consists of very shallow seas with a few trenches where the water might be as deep as 4 or 5 kilometers. Vacuuming up so much of the ocean would massively alter the climate and ecosystems in ways that are hard to predict.